Today, we're going to explore 5 of the most amazing facts about our home planet, Earth. Thank you for watching. Let's begin. 5. A shifting world. Earth is not a static sphere, but a dynamic and living planet. It is constantly changing and evolving, thanks to the forces of nature that shape its surface. Volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and the movement of tectonic plates create stunning landscapes all around the world, from the Grand Canyon in the USA to the Himalayas in Asia to the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. These natural phenomena also affect the climate, the biosphere, and even human history and culture. Can you imagine living on a planet that doesn't change at all? How boring would that be? Earth is a planet that is never still and one that never ceases to surprise us with its beauty and diversity. 4. The amazing water cycle. Water is one of the main sources of life on Earth. It covers about 71% of the surface and makes up about 60% of our bodies. But water is not just a liquid that we drink or swim in. It is also in the air as a gas that we breathe, and in the ground as a solid that we walk on. Water has a remarkable cycle that has been cycling between the atmosphere, land, and oceans for billions of years. This cycle ensures that life-giving water is distributed across the planet, sustaining all living organisms. Water also helps regulate the climate by absorbing heat from the sun and transporting it around the globe. Water can change its state from solid to liquid to gas, depending on the temperature and pressure. This creates different forms of water, such as ice, snow, rain, fog, clouds, and steam. Water is essential for life as we know it, but none of it would be possible without our next fact. 3. Protected by Earth. The Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation and cosmic rays. Without this magnetic shield, life as we know it would not be possible. The stunning auroras, or northern and southern lights, are caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. This stunning sight is our way of witnessing these deadly charged particles being redirected away from the Earth's surface. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in its core, which acts like a giant electromagnet. The magnetic field also affects compasses, navigations, and animal migration. The Earth's atmosphere is another layer of protection from the Earth that allows us to breathe and protects us from the harsh conditions of outer space. It also creates different weather patterns and seasons. The atmosphere also helps protect the surface from meteor impacts. Most meteors burn up in the atmosphere before they reach the ground. Only a few make it through and create craters. Earth is a planet that protects us from many dangers that lurk in space. It is like our very own cosmic shield and shelter. Thanks to this, we have a thriving world. Earth is home to an incredible. Scientists estimate that there are about 8.7 million species of living organisms on Earth, but only about 1.2 million have been identified and named. Many more species are waiting to be discovered, especially in the oceans and rainforests. Life on Earth has adapted to different environments and conditions over millions of years. Some life forms are very common and familiar, while others are very rare and strange. Life on Earth is also interconnected and interdependent. All living beings are part of a complex web of relationships that affect each other in various ways. 1. A breathing planet. Earth is not only a planet that breathes, but also a planet that allows us breathe. Plants and other organisms absorb toxic carbon dioxide from the air and produce the precious oxygen we rely on to breathe. This process is called photosynthesis, and it is one of the most important chemical reactions on Earth. Photosynthesis also converts light energy into chemical energy, which is stored in organic molecules that are used by living beings as food. Photosynthesis is the basis of all life on Earth. While water is essential for life, so is oxygen, which is produced by plants and other organisms through photosynthesis. Oxygen makes up about 21% of the atmosphere and allows us to breathe and perform many vital functions. The Earth itself paired with the sun are the source of life, protection, and energy that allows us to be here today. The Earth is a shifting, flowing, protected, thriving, and breathing planet. It is a unique and beautiful planet not only in our solar system, but perhaps the entire cosmos. It is a place of much diversity and complexity. The Earth provides us with all we need to survive, and for that I am very grateful. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new. If you did, feel free to show your support with a like or by sharing it with someone you think may enjoy it. I would also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, feel free to subscribe. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and be well.